I see it. Is that it?
Can we record?
Oh, it just looks like it's gonna do a flyby.
Maybe.
It's better land.
Well, it's turning. No, it's turning.
Oh, there we go. I wasn't. I was moving the blue sky.
He let him fly straight in and land without inspecting the field.
Get off the sidewalk! Can I get on the top? Hello? I said hello.
I missed. It's landed right here. Right here. Well, is it gonna land right now? Or is it...
I don't know what he's doing. Okay, football field. Yeah, looks like it's gonna. Well, we're here in the soccer field or football field. Hey, football field. Hey guys, run if you want to see a land.
I am going speed! I am seeing this shit now! What's in the Land? Wait! Go! Go! Run like your life depends on it! Here it is, boys. Right there. Huh? Oh, wait, no. Wait, no? Huh? What?
Oh, they're not landing.
It's not landing?
Wait, yes it is.
Huh? Oh, just turning around.
I should just take off and fly away.
Well, if that happens, I'm going to be pissed. 3, 2,
Why is the blade spinning so
1.
fast? But on the camera it's spinning that slow.
Go. And we have touchdown.
What am I, man? Such a blades?
Yes, mommy!
Why is the blade so fast?
Exactly, it's moving so slow, like, bro. I'm so confused. Let's go touch the blade!
Okay, everybody, let's go touch it.
I gotta
Or you can just jump into the blades.
touch the plane, everyone.
We gotta jump into the blades.
We should make
I will make this man disappear. I just have to jump into the blades. And then I'm gone.
That's it. That wasn't very busy. Can we run? Can we go? Go!
Come on back. Come back.
He told us to
Come on, guys. Mr. Beckett is saying stay back, guys. Stay back.
I'm Miss Dickerson. Miss Dickerson. Hi.
Who's doing this? Robinson's class.
We can see what they don't.
All right, not allowed to go? It stopped now.
Well, you're not going to be able to get near it. I'm pretty sure of that.
Hey, guess what? He didn't die. Sad.
You know what? They should have done. They should have had.
Wait, why are they getting to go?
They're doing it by.
By class?
Yeah.
They should have.
Since there's only 2 of you, we're going to tag along.
My headphones are still good, I think.
Guys, before y'all go out to it, there are a couple rules you need to explain. So if you're going out, gather around. please.
Gather around.
Basically, once you get out there to the helicopter, anything that's hanging out, sticking down, can break. It's very fragile. If it breaks, the helicopter has to sit here until a mechanic can get a part and come out and fix it. You can't go to AutoZone to do that. So just remember, get out here, follow the flight crew's direction. They're going to show you where you can go, where you can't go. They're going to show you around the aircraft, and we'll just go from there. So as you get towards the back of the helicopter, definitely watch your head. It does hang down low, the tail boom does. So just be mindful of that. The front of the aircraft, once you approach it, you'll see there's 2 little things that stick out on the side. They're called pitot tubes, and they are very hot. You will get burned if you touch it. So, that being said, our flight crew's out here ready for y'all. So if y'all want to go ahead and check out the aircraft, let's go. In other words, don't touch anything.
Don't touch anything. I'm gonna burn
You
my
can take
hand.
all the pictures you want.
I'm taking a video. I took a video of it landing.
No fingerprints on the helicopter.
No, you don't want to leave your fingerprints. You want to leave your tongue print. Just lick it.
Ew. I don't know what's up inside that air.
Air. There's air in the atmosphere. A little bit of air pollution, but
Helicopter covered.
it's covered in air, you idiot, and metal, because it's a helicopter. It's metal.
Paint. I love paint.
You ding dong.
Can't forget about paint.
Oh my gosh.
The AC does not work in there.
Oh no.
Oh
I
no.
mean, it works, but
Where are the pitot tubes?
Oh no. Who flew it?
I don't know. Where are? Oh, those are the pitot tubes.
What are the pitot tubes?
You see that like thing, like right there, it's
If
sticking
you see one
out.
of these in regular life, you're having a bad day.
Oh.
I see that whenever I go to the pool. I see this every day. I see this plane circling. It's like
Don't cry, guys. Don't touch.
that's a pitot tube right there. That thing right there.
What's this torpedo tube?
Right there. Do you see that thing? That thing right towards the cockpit? That metal thing that's sticking out the front? Yeah.
Oh wait, that's next week. I'm working tonight. Y'all's getting. I'll be there 5:30. That's right. Okay.
Whoa. It's
Next week. Y'all have something.
Feel free to step up.
7:30 or
Look inside the aircraft if you want to.
Don't touch the thing on the front there. They said it was hot. Be careful.
Well, it says caution hot on it, so like,
Y'all come through once you've seen it come out this side.
you know, there's a thing. Why you take pictures? Just take video. Ooh, gosh, wow, this is cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Not all of them are like this.
I'm like a couple like inches away from the helicopter. Oh, there's the engines right there. I'd probably burn my hand on that, but who cares? Don't take a picture of it. Take a video of it. You imbecile. No push. Who's strong enough to push this thing? It says no push. Right there. I don't think anyone can push it. Like nobody.
Who's gonna push?
I'm not Superman.
This is a handle. I don't think you would. This is a handle.
Who's gonna grab onto that? Someone's just gonna flood. They're gonna just take a ride right there.
Yeah.
So we have little wheels that we can put on the bottom of the aircraft, and then use that to pull on it. But yeah.
It says no push, but like, who's gonna push this?
Once you get wheels on it, put a little effort into it. But it's pretty easy to do.
You know what I want to see? The tail that just turn up and down. That'd be cool. I'm an aviation geek,
Nice.
as much as I am a car geek. So. I'm not as much as a boat geek, but like I'm going. So Monday, the first Monday of summer. I'm going on a tour of a battleship somewhere in North Carolina.
Battleship?
Yep.
And how? What's your shift like?
Yeah, full-on battleship. Yeah, I'm taking a tour in one.
Okay.
You're having a real bad day.
Yeah, really bad day.
Honestly, that's a normal Monday though. No, typical Monday for most people.
Yeah, just watch out for that. 'Cause one of the things is that breaks off.
What is that?
That little thing?
It's a static discharge, so it shoots out the static. So it doesn't.
So important yet so tiny.
Yep.
What is this?
Like, make it less fragile. Now let's take a inside look of this cockpit.
Yeah, when I was in the fifth aircraft, we did Humvees, and we had all kinds of issues.